Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install the Pytest library in Python on Mac. The first thing that I'm going to do is to show you the version of Python installed on my Mac. So we'll be installing the Pytest library in this version of Python. And the command to check the version of Python is python 3 space hyphen hyphen version. The moment I hit enter, it's going to give me the version of Python that is installed on my Mac. And this version of Python 3.13.5 happens to be one of the latest versions of Python available at the time of recording this video. Now let's begin the installation. The first thing that we are going to do is to create a Python project folder. Now I am going to create that folder on my desktop and you can choose to create it wherever you want. Using the cd command, I am going to go inside my desktop. Over here using the mkdir command, I am going to create a folder pytest_install. If I hit enter, it's going to create a folder pytest_install on my desktop. You can see it over here. Now we are going to go inside this folder using the cd command like this. Here we are going to create a Python virtual environment. Why virtual environment? Because installing Python modules in a virtual environment keeps your project dependencies isolated, so they don't mess with other projects or system packages. The command to create a Python virtual environment is very simple. It is python 3 -m venv, that stands for virtual environment, and the name of the virtual environment. In this case, we are going to name it as pytest_venv. If I hit enter, then it's going to create a virtual environment for me. Now, if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. And you can see it ran successfully. Let's check if virtual environment is created or not. So I am going to type ls-l command to check the creation of the virtual environment. And you can see pytest_venv appears over here. Now we are going to activate this virtual environment. To do that, we are going to use the source command. And after that, we are going to write the name of the virtual environment, which is pytest_venv /bin. After another /, we'll write activate. If we hit enter, that's going to make this virtual environment active. Now we are going to install the Pytest library. And the command to install the Pytest library will be pip install Pytest. Let's hit enter. As you can see, the installation has started. And there you go, it ended in a flash. And I am so glad to see this message: successfully installed Pytest 8.4.1. Now, since our virtual environment is active, why don't we print the version of the Pytest library that we just installed? And it should match this version 8.4.1 because that's what we installed. So, to print the version of the Pytest library that we installed in this virtual environment, we need to write the command pytest space --version. And there you go. It printed Pytest 8.4.1, which matches the version over here. Not only we printed the version of Pytest successfully, but we also proved that we successfully installed Pytest in this virtual environment, pytest_venv. And whenever we are done with our virtual environment, we need to deactivate it. The command to deactivate a virtual environment is deactivate. That's it. I hit enter and you can see the virtual environment is deactivated. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the Pytest library in Python on Mac from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.